story of HMS Queen Elizabeth's maiden voyage across the Atlantic has been told in the BBC Two documentary Britain's Biggest Warship, Goes to Sea. A repeat of the three-part series has been screened, which shows life aboard the Portsmouth-based aircraft carrier, from its daily routines to its work to prepare for the first landing of two F-35 Lightning II jet fighters on its flight deck in 2018 as part of its flying trials with her fixed-wing aircraft. The first episode, Let Go All Lines, screened this evening, Sunday, March 19, followed the crew's maiden voyage across the Atlantic to Florida, and then Virginia, before heading out to sea for the crucial landing of the aircraft, which had only landed on a simulated scenario up until that point. The documentary showed life behind the scenes, showing what a standard week is like for the crew, many of whom were dubbed cave dwellers as they have limited access to the flight deck, so remain below deck for much of the time, including showing how rubbish is sorted to keep the ship tiny and how regular blood needs to be ordered by the ship's medics. However, it showed how the ship's journey did not get off to the best start. It hit the headlines on both sides of the Atlantic when 6 members of the crew were arrested in Florida while on shore leave in Naval Station Mayport in 3 separate incidents, including one who was arrested for. The 6 crew members were processed through the American courts and allowed to return to the ship. However, the crew and captain were able to give their side of the story, with one crew member expressing feelings the American police officers were heavy-handed and the then Captain Jerry Kidd describing the coverage as deeply upsetting. The main focus of the program, however, was the crew's preparations for the arrival of the two F-35s, almost a decade since the last Royal Navy fighter landed on the last Royal Navy carrier.